The dollar's dilemma. The dollar felt restless. He had ruled the world for a long time, but his power was fading. His rivals were growing stronger and more confident. The euro, the yen, the yuan, and even the Bitcoin were challenging his dominance in different ways. He felt threatened and insecure. He decided to visit his old friend, the gold coin, who lived in a vault deep underground. He hoped that the gold coin could give him some advice and comfort. "Hello, old friend," he greeted the gold coin. "It's been a while since I saw you." "Hello, dollar," the gold coin replied. "What brings you here?" "I need your help," he said. "I'm in trouble. The world is changing and I don't know what to do." "What kind of trouble?" the gold coin asked. "The other currencies are rising against me. They are gaining popularity and influence. They are undermining my status and value. They are making me look weak and unstable." "Who are they?" the gold coin inquired. "Well, there's the euro, for one. He's been trying to unite Europe under his banner. He's been expanding his reach and scope. He's been attracting more trade and investment. He's been posing as a rival to me in the global market. Then there's the yen. He's been recovering from his long slump. He's been boosting his economy and innovation. He's been strengthening his alliance with other Asian countries. He's been challenging me in the technology and finance sectors." Next, there's the yuan. He's been rising fast and furious. He's been growing his population and production. He's been developing his infrastructure and military. He's been asserting his power and ambition. He's been threatening me in the trade and security arenas. And finally, there's the Bitcoin. He's been disrupting the system and breaking the rules. He's been creating his own network and currency. He's been attracting more users and investors. He's been defying me in the digital and decentralized domains. They are all after me, he lamented. They want to take my place and dethrone me. They want to make me irrelevant and obsolete. They want to end my reign and legacy. The gold coin listened patiently to his woes. He felt sorry for him, but he also felt amused by him. Here there was a moment of silence. "My dear dollar," he said gently, "you are not in trouble because of them. You are in trouble because of yourself." "What do you mean?" he asked. "You have forgotten who you are and what you stand for," the gold coin explained. "You have lost your identity and your purpose." "How so?" he wondered. "You have become too arrogant and complacent," the gold coin said. "You have taken your position and privilege for granted. You have neglected your responsibilities and obligations. You have become too dependent and indebted," the gold coin continued. "You have borrowed more than you can repay. You have spent more than you can earn. You have printed more than you can back. You have become too volatile and unpredictable, the gold coin added. You have fluctuated wildly in response to events and emotions. You have lost your stability and credibility. You have eroded your trust and confidence. These are the reasons why you are losing your edge and your appeal, the gold coin concluded. These are the reasons why you are facing competition and resistance. He was stunned by the gold coin's words. He realized that he had been blind to his own faults and flaws. "So what should I do?" he asked. "You should remember your roots and your values," the gold coin advised. "You should uphold your principles and your standards. You should balance your needs and your means," the gold coin suggested. "You should live within your limits and your capabilities. You should restore your consistency and your reliability," the gold coin recommended. "You should maintain your quality and your integrity. These are the things that will make you strong and respected again," the gold coin said. "These are the things that will make you worthy of being a leader again." He thanked the gold coin for his wisdom and guidance. "I appreciate your honesty and friendship," he said. "You're welcome," the gold coin said. He left the vault feeling humbled but hopeful. He knew that he had a lot of work to do. He knew that he had a lot of potential to fulfill. He knew that he had a lot of challenges to overcome. But he also knew that he had a lot of opportunities to seize. He was ready to face the future. He was ready to reclaim his glory. The end. Please share and like if you enjoyed the videos. Thanks so much.